So here's how you can refer a friend on Temu, and this works for any method or any game that Temu has. So all you have to do is just follow all the steps that I'm about to show you and watch till it really end. So the very first thing that we need to do is go ahead and open our Temu app. Now once we're in to the Temu app homepage, you want to go ahead and click on the U button on the bottom. Now simply scroll down and then you want to click on earn credits and free gifts. However, if you don't have this option, you want to click on settings and then change your country and region to the United States. So click on that, set it to the United States, and there you go. After that has been done, you'll see this pop up that says earn credits and free gifts. So go ahead and click on that. Now you can see that Temu, they actually have a bunch of different offers and affiliates waiting for you. So you can choose, you can get free gifts, you can get cash reward via PayPal, you can also get credit on Temu. So you can choose whichever one you want to get, and then they're all essentially the same. So you can refer a friend and just follow the steps on all these. But I'm just gonna go ahead and click on cash reward. Alright, so now once you're inside that game, mine is going to be a cash reward. At the bottom, it literally just says invite to get tokens is in orange. So then yours might say invite to get something, invite to get blah, blah, blah. So go ahead and click on that big orange logo right over here. Now, as you can see at the very bottom, there's copy link as well as copy code. So if you copy the code and then you send that code to someone, then they have to download Temu and then paste in your own code in the search bar, and that's how you can get a referral. But with the copy link, all you have to do is copy the link, send that to someone, and then once they click on that link, then I believe you get a referral as well. So go ahead and click on copy link. And then now you can send that link to whoever you want via social media, on Instagram, on Snapchat, doesn't matter, just send that to whoever you want. Now, another way, an easier way to do it is probably click on the button again, and then now you can click on Instagram Direct, Snapchat Direct, or whatever Direct, and then you can send it directly to anyone on this right over here, this icon. So let's say we want to send it to someone on Instagram. Go ahead and click on Instagram Direct, and then now it's going to lead you over directly to the Instagram DMs, and you can go ahead and send it to whoever you want on your Instagram account. So let's just send that to this guy right over here. That's just my alt account. So yeah, essentially, as you can see, we have sent him this referral on Instagram.